Ever wish you could see the future? Well, it turns out the past might just hold the key.
It's not about magic, it's about finding the hidden patterns in data recorded over time. And the main tool we use for that? It's called a time series.
You see this stuff everywhere. Think daily weather reports, monthly sales, even a country's economic growth.
The whole point is to spot these patterns so we can forecast what might happen next.
So how do we actually find them? Well, we break the data down into 4 key parts.
First up is the trend. This is just the big picture, long-term direction the data is heading.
See this chart? Sales are consistently going up each year. That's a classic upward trend.
Next, you've got seasonal variation. These are predictable patterns that just repeat over and over again.
Then there's cyclical variation. Think of these as longer waves, kind of like economic booms and busts.
And last, the real wild card, irregular variation. This is the random, totally unpredictable stuff.
So that's the 4 pieces of the puzzle: trend, seasonal, cyclical, and regular. Simple, right?
Okay, so we know the parts, but where's this stuff actually used in the real world?
It's everywhere. Economics, business, stock markets, weather forecasting, pretty much all of data science.
And here's why it matters. Understanding these patterns helps us all make way smarter, data-driven decisions. So, it makes you wonder, what patterns in your own life could help predict your future?